Looking for a tablet that delivers big screen entertainment for the whole family? Look no further than the all-new Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Now, let's see what makes the Tab A9 Plus stand out. Immersive Entertainment. Get ready for a feast for your eyes with a stunning 11-inch display. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web, the visuals will be smooth and vibrant thanks to a 90 Hz refresh rate. Sound that surrounds you. Immerse yourself in your favorite movies, shows, and games with the powerful quad speakers featuring Dolby Atmos. Get ready for rich, cinematic sound that will truly bring your entertainment to life. Performance boost. The upgraded chipset ensures smooth performance for all your tasks, from casual browsing to streaming and even light gaming. Multitasking. Master with multi-window display, you can open multiple apps simultaneously and seamlessly switch between them. Get things done efficiently and stay productive on the go. Kid-friendly fun. Keep your kids entertained and engaged with the Samsung Kids app. It offers a safe space with a variety of educational and entertaining content that will stimulate their young minds. Portable powerhouse. The Tab A9 Plus is surprisingly slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Plus, its durable design ensures it can handle everyday bumps and scrapes. Sharing made easy. Transferring files between devices is a breeze with Quick Share. Share photos, videos, and other files effortlessly with other Android or iOS devices. And the best part, the Samsung Galaxy Tab. A 9 Plus 2024 starts at just $219. This makes it a fantastic option for families looking for a big screen tablet that delivers entertainment, performance, and value. And if you're ready to bring big screen fun home, head down to the description below for the purchase link. Don't miss out on this amazing tablet.